Once again, warm welcome to all the viewers of this channel. This is Ritwik. Today we are at RGUKT-SRIKAKULAM Branch, and in this video we are going to see some of the presentations of students in RGUKT-SRIKAKULAM Branch. So let us just, with no time, we just go on with the presentations. Carry on.
Good evening, good afternoon, everyone. Myself Bulekya. I am from RGUKT-SRIKAKULAM, currently pursuing BTech first year in the branch of CSC. Today, we group of 4 members going to explain about user-defined linked list. In this session, we may come across to know about what is linked list, structure of linked list and nodes, some real-time examples and advantages of linked list. And finally, we will be with an algorithm and an example program. Before going into the discussion, let us know what is a linked list. When we want to work with an unknown number of data values, we use linked list data structure to organize the data. A linked list is a data structure such that each element links to its next element in the sequence. Here, we have a doubt that what is a linear data structure. The linear data structure in the sense a data structure where data elements are arranged sequentially. Instead of saying this whole thing, we can simply say that a linked list is a linear collection of data elements whose order is not given by their physical placement memory. Each element in the linked list is called node. Node is the basic unit of linked list. Here, node will have 2 components. One is data field and another one is address field. In this picture, in this slide, we can see the structure of node. Here we have 2 parts. One is data part and another one is link part. Link part is also can be said as address part, which stores the address of next node, and the data part will stores the actual value. A linked list is formed when many such nodes are linked together to form a chain. Each node points to the next node present in the order. The first node of the linked list is called as head, and sometimes it also called as friend, as it is the first node. And this head is used as reference to traverse the linked list. The last node of the list is called tail. The last node of the linked list contains a pointer which points to null. Each node in the linked list can be accessed linearly by traversing through the list from head to tail. In this slide, we also can see the structure of a linked list. There we can see the head part and the tail part. As that was the first node, it will be called as head, and the last node will be called as tail. It will point to null. Consider this given example. The node 1 is head and node 3 is tail. Each node is connected in such a way that node 1 is pointing to node 2, which in turn points to node 3. And node 3 finally points to null, as it is the last node. And this brings us to the end of the introduction to linked list. And the next part will be explained by our group member Pallavi. I will hand over this session to her. Pallavi, are you there?
Yes, I'm there. Good afternoon, sir. I'm from RGUKT. I'm currently pursuing my graduation CSC. Now my topic is real-time examples of linked list. Here we see 2 pictures. One is train and another one is music player. These 2 are the real-time examples of the linked list. Let us take train. In our daily life, we can see the train. We notice the compartments and engine compartments like that we can see in the train. Here we can apply the train into the linked list. Each compartment we can relate as a node in the linked list, and the engine compartment as the head. As we are all know that linked list have nodes. Linked list is used for insertion or deletion the elements. Here by the train example, attaching and detaching compartments can be related to inserting and deleting nodes in the list. And another node is rotating the list, can be viewed as rearranging the train compartments. Similarly, reversing the list. And another example is music player. We are all listen the music in our phones. Songs in music player are linked to previous and next song. We can go further song or we can go backward song. You can play songs either from starting or ending of the list. This is the real-time examples of the linked list. Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is Bhagya from RGUKT-SRIKAKULAM from branch CSC. Now we'll see about the algorithm of the linked list. First of all, we have to create a class node which has two attributes, that is data and next. Next is a pointer, points to the next node. Create another class which has two attributes, head and tail. And next, add node of will add a new node to the list. Create a new node. It checks whether the head is equal to null, which means the list is empty. If the list is empty, both head and tail will point to the newly added node. If the list is not empty, the new node will be added to the end of the list, such that tails next will point to the newly added node. This new node will become the new tail of the list, and display function will display the nodes present in the list. Define a node current which initially points to the head of the list, traverse through the list till current points to null. Display each node by making current to point to next to it in each iteration. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir, and good afternoon, my dear friends. Now I am discuss about the Java program in linked list. So first of all, we know about the why we can use main method in Java. Java main method is the entire point of any Java program. Its syntax is always public static void main string arrays. So why we can public static void main strings? So now I am tell about the meaning of the public static void main strings in Java program. So what is the meaning of first of all, we now discuss about the public. Public means this is the access modifier of the main method. It has to be public so that Java runtime can execute this method. Next to static. In this main method has to be static so that JVM can load the class into memory and call the main method. Void. So Java main method does not return anything. That's why it is return type is void. Next to main. This is the name of Java main method. It is fixed, and when we start a Java program, it's look for the main method. String arrays. Java main method accept a single argument of type string array. This string array is also called as command line argument. We can change public static void main also string to my strings. So here now we discuss about the how create a linked list in Java. So here we can take some animals and add into the linked list. For example, here we can add animals like a dog, cat, cow into the linked list. So we can also some more animals into the linked list. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, this is all about linked list and the example program algorithm. I hope that you all got an idea about linked list. Thank you so much for your interest and attention.
Thank you, Bulekya and team, for your best presentation in this channel, for giving your time and spending a visionary aspects, particularly with regard to this channel is concerned. I hope all the viewers will enjoy this channel, will enjoy your video. And further, I would like to inform all the viewers that we'll be sharing few more videos of some other real-time examples as taken as a base for this channel for the continuation. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe this channel for more videos on programming as well as the other aspects of computer science. Thank you all.